Hi, all, Gabi here. How many of you pre-predict rejection? Meaning, you think about how you're gonna make plans with your SP, and then in your mind you're going, they're gonna flake, they're gonna call it off like they always do. Or what if you do the same thing with your friends? They're gonna cancel. She's always gonna cancel. She always does. Listen, I want you to stop pre-predicting flaking, because what you're doing is you're calling in rejection in advance. Stop doing that. Instead, we're gonna use a really cool trick called revision. So when the old preview starts, I want you to cut it and replay it with a 3-second, of course we connect, of course we always follow through with our plans, etc. And then I want you to add onto that, that's more like it. That's more like it. So you're going to play that scene in your head of your friend or your SP, reaching out and saying they're flaking, etc. And then I want you instead of going, oh man, I'm feeling rejected, I want you to add in, of course we connect. And then I want you to revise the scene to you two connecting, you two following through with plans. And then you're going to stamp that scene at the end with the phrase of, that's more like it. Of course we always connect. Repeat that whenever the preview tries to return, and you will start to see you're not feeling rejected anymore, and you're changing your predictions of how they show up so they show up differently. If you want support, go ahead and book now, 15% off of coaching sessions, except for NLP, and 15-minute sessions all the way till December 31st.